Hey everyone, Chef Andrew here from North Coast Seafoods. Let's learn how to make pan-seared sea scallops, caramelized to perfection with a bright lemon herb butter sauce. Sweet, sweet sea candy in just 15 minutes. Here we go.
Add canola oil to a preheated pan and allow it to get hot, but not smoking. I suggest you dry the scallops of any excess moisture with a paper towel before cooking. Add the scallops. The key here is do not overcrowd your pan. Space your scallops out and don't move them while they're cooking. That way the pan will maintain its even heat while cooking. Let's take a peek to check the color. Check out that beautiful golden brown caramelization. Finish cooking in the pan and remove. Time to make our lemon herb butter sauce. Add white wine to your hot pan and simmer it to reduce it by half. Add butter slices and swirl to melt. Reduce your heat to low. Add your herbs, a squeeze of fresh lemon, and that's it. Drizzle your sauce generously on your scallops and dig in. Nice cooking, chefs.